So we used to go to my in-laws. They had these long, drawn-out seders, and I remember going and saying to my kids, "You better behave. This goes on a long time. Nobody can be bad." But my other sister-in-law had a little one, and he was bad. So they ran around with him while everybody was doing the prayers. It was just the women were talking, and everyone was doing. The men were doing the prayers, and it was cute. I remember because in the Bronx, you didn't kind of open your door where you lived, but when you had to open the door for Elijah, my mother-in-law used to open the bathroom door, and I said, "You kept him in the bathroom?" That was funny. Now we do it differently. Now we all read, all of us, but it's fun. It's still fun. One year I had all the children, no, my grandson was in charge of the plagues, and he bought real stuff, frogs and everything. I said, "Don't you dare let them out on the table." Oh yeah, the kids every holiday, they used to make up a play. They'd go up in my room and raid my closet and put on all these things to make. They were Joseph with the rainbow coats, and they used to come down, all six of them, and do a play for all of us. It was so cute. So we really celebrate the joy of Judaism.